nothing about my scriptures. And this is what made me join the mission in 2008, almost 5 years back. And at that point, I really did not know who Swami Chinmayananda was. I had never seen him, met him, heard him, nothing. And but it just so happened that once I joined the mission, I started interacting with the members of the mission, and I got several opportunities to hear from them the various anecdotes like we've been hearing today. And it was really fascinating the way they described Swami Chinmayananda. He was a great visionary, and he was a perfectionist to a fault, and so meticulous in his work, and he had a very majestic personality, and tall, lanky, and whatever. And it wasn't long before that I started seeing him as a very great man, and with even a greater personality. And I enjoyed hearing all the anecdotes like I've heard today. And this enjoyment soon turned into jealousy. I was jealous of each and every person who had met this great personality, and I hadn't met him. And I must admit that for me to find a connection with Swami Chinmayananda was very difficult. It was an uphill journey. And I would say that it's because I had no memories, no experiences to bind me with him. And it was only slowly when I started hearing his talks on CDs and hearing his commentaries and reading books written on him and the commentaries written by him that I actually realized that yes, he is somebody really greater than what I think. And his knowledge that he had on the scriptures and the clarity with which he spoke actually kind of made me in total awe of him. And slowly Swamiji he found a way into my heart, and this awe turned into love and respect for him. And I can't pinpoint the time, how and when Swami Chinmayananda became Gurudev for me. And today, all I can say is that I have realized that it is not necessary for me to have seen him in his physical form, to have seen his presence. It is more important for me to feel it. And I always had a connection with him, but it's just that I could not see it. I always saw him as an entity separate from him. He was him and I was me. But for Gurudev, it's one existence. We were all one. And I was always connected to him in that sense. And I know that his grace and blessings will always be with me. And it's because of his blessings that I'm here today as a seeker, as a member of the Chinmaya family. And that's all. Thank you.